Hey, yo, what's up, YouTube? It's the one and only Don. Do you know it's murder? And I'm back. And today we're going to be reacting to most exciting player in USC football history, Reggie Bush. Now, the crazy thing is, I wasn't alive when Reggie Bush was in college. I really wasn't. I probably was. I don't know. I was alive in 2004, bro. If he was in college before that, I wasn't alive, bro. So I never really got to see his highlights. I heard he was the best running back. I heard he was the best college player in college history. But he got robbed for his Heisman. Fuck you. Fuck you, NFL, for that. Okay, I'm just playing NFL. I love you. Chill. But I hope he get his Heisman back, though. I ain't gonna lie. I really hope he get his Heisman back because I heard he was unstoppable. He was dodging, he was ducking, he was doing everything. He was playing quarterback, he was motherfucking playing CB, nigga. He was playing all positions. That's what I heard, nigga. So, hey, we gonna see what it is. We gonna see his highlights. But further ado, I got a headache, so I want you to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for my headache, and we gonna cure this. And let's get it. Reggie Bush, 2005 Heisman Trophy winner, two-time All-American. Bro got all these awards in college?
It gives me great pleasure to introduce the 2005 Walter Camp Football Foundation Player of the Year Award to Reggie Bush. Why not?
Let's go, Reggie. Yo, okay.
With the second choice in the 2006 NFL Draft, the New Orleans Saints select Reggie Bush, running back, USC.
Okay, so he got Bush right
in the middle. It's the outside. He's in the third. It's another foot race. Cuts it back to the 20. Goes back to the other side of the field.
Why are they trying to copyright me? I don't like how you playing this song. You could be the best. You could be. No! Stop! Why me? Stop!
It's gonna go. It's gonna be another USC.
I got that was a nice comeback.
Another thing of beauty.
What can you say? Electricity, explosive, fun to watch.
Oh, yeah.
How many words are there to
Ooh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! This
Don't play. He gets
Stop!
coming up the sideline.
Look at that! This Hey, he got the drip, okay?
What's his chance?
He had the drip on. I ain't gonna lie. He got the drip on.
Man up the turn.
Okay,
Right, trying to take the lead.
Yeah, he's fast. Yeah,
30, 20.
he's running a 4-1 flat. He's running a 4-1 flat. Yeah. A 4-1 flat. Reggie Bush, 4-1 flat.
10. Forget it. Reggie Bush.
Oh, yeah. Reggie Bush. Oh, oh my. Oh, oh, got it. Oh, got it. Oh, got it. Oh, my God. He said, he hit the little juke inside, bro.
That 5-6 yards ahead. Watch this. He'll push it to the outside, right back up inside. Not everybody can do that. I mean, there's about 2 or 3 people in the history of football that can do that.
Oh, yeah. Joe. I mean, that was kind of easy. That was kind of simple and basic. Kind of simple and basic. That was nasty. That was nasty. Go back. Juke to the left. Juke to the right. This nigga nigga remind me of me in motherfucking middle school, bro. Nah. Elementary. He remind me of elementary me. I was a Hall of Fame player. I had all the stats. I made the craziest clutch plays of all time, making catches that was unbelievable. Nigga, I was him, bro.
I think Reggie
Look at that elusiveness.
You know, just he kind of expresses himself.
The tight, like,
just
the
kind of
cuts,
the guy there.
the hard
He's
cuts
got
is
some
crazy,
power.
bro.
He's got speed. He's the best.
This nigga playing receiver? Yeah, hey, they told me he could do everything. Oh. Stiff arms. Go. Yo, this nigga is fast as fuck, bro. Oh my. Go. This nigga Reggie.
Reggie Bush.
Oh my god.
Get it. No flags.
Was bro not just speeding down the field? Bro, Reggie Bush is faster. Like, this thing is faster than the speed of light. Nigga, like,
Get it. No flags. Touchdown ball going out of bounds.
and the coach was peeking. Just play the video. Just play the video. Just play the video.
That's Steve Carroll. He's down. It's down. Yeah. So they're just going to down this ball. Liner going to try to sneak it ahead.
Thank you, Reggie, bro. Okay. Bro, he's faster than everybody on the field. Oh my god, that effort! That's tough.
Touchdown, Reggie Bush.
That's hard. That's hard. Woo, woo. Bro, this nigga is really me. Like, bro, I used to be doing this shit, bro. I used to be doing this shit, dog. I used to be undefeated and shit, bro. I was the best player on the team.
It is back to the ground.
Bro, if I would have played football series, I would be Reggie Bush. Like, that's how nice I would be. If I was playing football series, I would be Reggie Bush.
Touchdown.
Bro, we play all these instrumentals now. I better not get copyrighted.
Yeah.
This nigga, oh my god. Nigga was dead as a human controller.
You know what? Yeah, listen. I am what I am today.
Look at his hard cuts.
Ain't nothing y'all can say. In this life,
I mean, yeah, bro, you might as well just stop
watch
saying
it. I'ma be the best.
Bro playing receiver and
I am
shit.
what I am today, 'cause I did it my way. Nothing y'all can say. In this life or the next.
Is this not ridiculous?
Watch me. I'ma be the best.
It's up.
Walked in. Coming up to the 10-15.
Kick return.
20-25.
This nigga literally did everything, bro.
All the way to the 16-yard line.
You know what it is.
How can you be this race?
Bush and Bush.
Look at, oh my god, look at that. Come on, you can't even tackle. Bro, nobody can tackle him.
Bush steps outside. 35, 40.
Look at him turning up the jets.
Has a shot at 20. Cuts back and tripped up at the 5-yard line.
Be the best.
Yeah, I'm done with this video, bro. I'm done with this video. How can I sit here and react to this shit, bro? This shit is unfair. Anyways, further ado, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, man. This nigga is fast as shit and elusive as a bitch. That nigga can play every position. Like, what the fuck? Reggie Bush, give him his Heisman back, bro. This nigga was probably the greatest Heisman of all time. I love y'all, bro. And we out, bro. That just simple as that. Like, what the fuck? Nigga said, atone. We out, dog.